Today we are doing for the skydive, Jimera jump. We start from the jumping 8:15. I'm in zero gravity. I'm going to jump today skydive, Jimera jump. We are in the coffee shop. Look at the runway. This is the landing place in the grass.
Stop me now, she looking good, she drop it down. Bitch, you can't stop me now, she looking good, she. If that's what you wanted, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what
You like it? I'm 65 years old man doing the skydive. Dubai. Here we go, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dubai Terminal, Venden. Today we are doing for the skydive, Jimera jump. We start from the jumping 8:15. I can update more videos. See you guys. It's a birthday for me. Happy birthday myself. See you guys. Bye. Ciao. Guys, I'm in zero gravity. I'm going to jump today skydive, Jimera jump. We are in the coffee shop. Look at the runway. This is the landing place in the grass. The Dubai Eye. It's the Dubai Marina, JPR. It's a cruiser there, port. Dubai Harbour. Thank you for your supporting. Bye, ciao. Atawara, Yawara, Yawara, Yawara. Thank you so much. You had to wait for one day.
Hello, welcome to Skydive Dubai, man. How are you feeling today?
Thank you very much. I feel good.
Are you getting excited?
Yes.
Yeah, awesome.
But I'm living in Dubai, Indian. I'm living in Dubai 37 years.
Wow.
So this is my dream.
Yes.
First time I'm doing the skydive.
Amazing.
Before I was done from the German Berlin space flying long time back near the TV station, 29th floor. So this is a real skydive I'm doing. This is the month for my happy birthday. It's a happy new year for everybody.
Hello, Manoj.
And it's happy Pongal. So I will update more videos. I can pay the extra videos for the space when he was floating. So I can update more videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for your supporting. Bye. Ciao.
And you understood the instructions here?
Yeah, already done. This is my name is Venden Adventure. Sorry, Venden Adventure Travel. This is the Venden Cruise.
Awesome.
Heading. I can release like that in the video.
Cool. Have a good
See you
time,
guys.
man.
Bye.
Let's go.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't.
Hey man, skydive.
You like it?
I'm 65 years old man, doing the skydive. Dubai.
Here we go, baby! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah, full turn.
Wow, full turn, huh?
Let's go. Woo!
Whoa, 360.
360, bro!
Oh. I am the different world.
My friend.
Yes.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Skydive
We'll see you
Dubai.
next time.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Dubai. Tal Habibi.
Ciao.
Dubai. Welcome to Dubai. Hi guys, I done the skydive today.
You did. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy it.
The good team for the guide and the cameras.
Awesome.
Thank you
job.
very much.
Awesome. Thank you for joining with us at Skydive Dubai, bro. Well done.